Hello there, it's Frog, and it will be a pretty quick video about what's new in Pamac 9.2.0. It is not available on the stable branch of Manjaro yet at the moment. For now, it is only in testing and unstable. So what's new with Pamac 9.2.0? Well, in summary, it is mostly improvements and bug fixes. Here's the release tag listing all the changes between this version and the previous one. The link is in the description too if you want to read it. Outside of improvements and bug fixes, there is new options available for Pamac CLI, which is in a nutshell the command line version of Pamac. For example, you can now download packages without installing them with the W option, just like with Pacman. I won't make a demonstration of each of them, they are detailed in the release tag. I will let you experiment with those new options if you want. In addition, in Pamac, you now have a new tab called Advanced, where all options that are considered potentially dangerous if misused are grouped. Notably, there is two settings that made a comeback in Pamac. The check space option, which checks if you have enough space to install the packages before installing them, and the in your packages option, which allows you to in your upgrades for packages you specify manually. These options had been removed from the preferences window for a while, hence not configurable within the graphical user interface. You had to edit the /etc/pacman.conf to change either of those two settings. But now you can change those settings within Pamac again. Notably, the main reason why this specific setting had been removed from the preferences window for quite a while is because the developer behind Pamac felt that it was too dangerous to be able to configure this so easily. And that's pretty much it. It was pretty short, wasn't it? See you next time!